Welcome to this JavaScript tutorial. Today, we'll see how to access both the index and the value when looping through an array using for spread of. It's a simple, elegant, and surprisingly powerful when paired with entries. Let's walk through how this function works. Normally, for spread of only gives you the value of each element. By combining it with the entries function, you unlock both index and value at once. This is great when you need context about position during iteration. Let's explore this through some code. We define a simple array of color names. Then, we use color entries to get both the index and the item. Each loop gives us a tuple, which we destructure into index item. This lets us log both in a clean, readable format. Here's how it flows behind the scenes. The entries function turns the array into an iterable of index and value pairs. For spread of reads those pairs, and we use destructuring to extract both parts. You get full control over both values without needing for each or a classic for loop. This table breaks it down. Each index and value pair is printed exactly as we see in the output. This is super useful when debugging, rendering index items, or logging. And it's all thanks to combining the entrance function with for spread of. This technique shines in front-end rendering and debugging scenarios. For example, rendering a ranked list or showing line numbers in logs. You maintain both structure and readability in a single loop. Let's quickly summarize everything. Combining the entries function with for spread of gives you a powerful control over arrays. It is a concise, readable way to get both index and value during iteration. Try using this in your next project. It is a clean upgrade over traditional loops. Thanks for tuning in. Happy coding. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.